Morning, fam. Today we're spending 5 powerful minutes waking up our bodies, preparing for the day with intention and energy. I promise you, this routine will help you loosen stiffness, build flexibility, and set a calm yet focused tone for the hours ahead. You can do this routine anywhere, whether you're at home, in the gym, or stepping outside into the fresh morning air. No equipment is needed. Just bring your body and a mat if you have one. But find a soft surface. Each stretch is designed to flow seamlessly into the next, awakening your muscles from head to toe. If you're ready, let's hit the mat. Let's begin with something simple but powerful. Wrist rolls. This little movement sets the tone for focus and control. Extend your arms forward at shoulder height, palms facing down. Start by making small, deliberate circles with your wrists, as if you're drawing circles in the air. After 15 seconds, switch directions, keeping the motion smooth and steady. This is the stretch you need to relieve tension from typing, gripping, or holding, preparing your wrists and hands for the day ahead. If you're starting out, rest your arms on your lap or a table for added support. To make this a little bit more challenging, try increase the range of motion by making larger circles with your wrists. Do you feel that lightness already building in your wrists? Well, let's bring the same energy to your back and core. It's time to create fluidity along your spine with a spinal wave, or cat-cow. This stretch feels like a massage for your back. Move to all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale deeply as you arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone upward. Exhale slowly, rounding your spine like a cat, tucking your chin to your chest and tailbone under. Continue this wave-like motion, letting your breath guide the flow. This movement is releasing stiffness in your back, strengthening your core, and grounding you in a rhythm of calm and control. If you're a beginner, move gently, focusing on smaller motions to ease into the stretch. If you've been following along for a while and you feel like you need something more challenging, add a gentle sway of your hips side to side for deeper mobility in your lower back. Are you feeling the warmth building in your back and core? Well, let's extend that stretch into the full length of your body. Let's elevate this routine with a downward stretch, a full body wake-up call that brings length and strength. From all fours, tuck your toes under and lift your hips toward the sky, pressing your heels toward the mat. Keep your arms extended and your head relaxed between your shoulders. Take deep breaths, letting your heels sink lower with each exhale. This movement stretches your hamstrings, calves, and spine, while strengthening your arms and shoulders. If you're a beginner, keep your knees slightly bent and focus on lifting your hips high. If you've been doing this for a while and you feel like you need a challenge, deepen the stretch by walking your hands closer to your feet for more intensity in the legs. I promise you this will make you feel taller and more aligned. Let's now bring some rotation to energize your core and hips. Time to unlock your hips and spine with the low lunge twist, a movement that creates space and energy from the inside out, like the world's greatest stretch. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, keeping your left knee grounded. Place your left hand on the mat and twist your torso to the right, reaching your right arm toward the ceiling. Let your gaze follow your hand. Switch sides. Step your left foot forward, plant your right hand, and twist your torso to the left, reaching your left arm skyward. Breathe deeply and let the stretch open your chest and release tension in your hips. The stretch is improving your hip mobility, spinal rotation, and opens your chest for better posture. If you're starting out, keep the twist shallow and focus on the hip stretch. This will make it gentler. If you need a bit of challenge, let's lift your back knee off the ground for added intensity. Let's feel the openness in your hips and back. And let's finish with the calming but grounding stretch. Awesome work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've stretched your entire body, energized your mind, and created space for the day ahead. If you love this routine, smash that subscribe button and grab your free customizable fitness program using the link in the description. It's packed with everything you need to crush your goals. Stay strong, stay flexible, and I'll see you next session. Let's go!